Okay, welcome friends. This is Autocad series video 4, and in the previous one we have done some of the basic commands like the line, circle, polyline, rotate, mirror, fillet. These all commands we have done. We have done this trim command also. One command was left in last video, that was extend command. Just as trim, extend command is also quite easy command, right? Like, let's say I have made some random shapes. Okay. Now, why I am not considering any construction drawing, any layout of the building? Like, because these commands are universal commands. You should be learning the universal use of these lines rather than constraining your knowledge to only construction drawings. First of all, see the limitless power of these commands. Then it will be quite easy for you to uh, imagine the use of these commands in construction drawings, right? So in this one, trim. Okay, if you want to trim the command, just double tr, just press tr and double enter. You can see onto whatever the line you are putting your cursor, the line will get fade away. It is showing you the preview that this line will be removed. Okay, you can see this line will get fade. Just see, right? So see, right? Now see, right? So any line you can just remove. Okay, so this is how you have to use the trim command. If you have to use the extend command is just below the trim command. Whenever you will click the extend, this trim, the arrow, drop down arrow along with the trim, you will get the extend command. Click on the extend command. Now you will see how the lines will get extended to the limit. Means this command, the line will be extended to the point if you will define some limit to it. Like you are telling the software that I want to extend this line, but this software is asking you one more question. Okay, you are extending this line, I am agree with this one, but the next thing is to which point you want to extend this line. Just mention that point, right? So if I want to extend this line, you can see in this direction I can easily extend the line, right? So I have just put the mouse onto it. It is showing me the preview that this line will get extended till this line. So I am just putting this one and clicking onto that line. The line will get extended to the limit. Now after that, the next limit for this line is this line, right? So I am putting again. It is putting the next. Now it is for is the next limit is. So it is working as per the limits provided by you. This line. See, uh, one thing into this one, just see this line, only consider this line. Okay, I'm just be focused on to this point. I'm going to tell you, I'm making a half of this line. This is half, let's say. Sorry, this is, this point is um, this point is, this line is half of this line. So in this one, I'm going to use the extend line. If I will put my cursor on the right side of this line, it will get extend in this direction, right? See, my cursor is on the right side, just right from the half. It will extend the line on this direction. But if I am putting the cursor on the left side, it is not making its extension. Why? The reason is it is not giving, you have not mentioned any limit to it. Now I am drawing a line over here. Let's say this is the limit. So again taking the extend line, now I will put the cursor over here. See, now it is extended because you have provided the limit to that line. So this is how the extend line will work. Hope the thing is clear to you. If you have not cleared, you can just go back few seconds in the video and you can just see that again. And if it is still not clear, you can just ask me in the comment section that explain this command with this example, right? Just write down that example. I will make a video based upon that example also, right? So the next one in this video, basically this video is totally based on array command. We are going to use the array command in this one. So in this modify tab, in this first was draw tab, this is a modify tab. In this modify tab, you can see this array, right? So there are three type of array: rectangular array, path array, and polar array. So one by one we are going to just use this one. Very easy, nothing to worry in this one. Very easy commands. Just understand it carefully. Click on rectangular array. Oh, we have no object in the scene. First of all, we need to make the object. Let's say circle. I have made a circle of, let's say the radius is 2 feet. This is the circle over here, right? Circle with the diameter 2 feet. Just remember. Click on array command simply. So this boxes means you will see this type of array depending upon the last array you will be using. The recent array you will use, that will come onto this preview, right? So in this one, first of all, we are going to use this rectangular array. Select on rectangular array, then select the object. Simple. Select the array, then it will ask you select the object which you want to, onto which you want to apply the array command. I want to apply on this circle. Click on that, then enter. What you will be doing, select the array command, select that object you want to use as a array, then enter. Just see, it has made some copies array of it. So it is rectangular. So see, so many options are there which will get activated. This is like you can change the numbers. Right now the columns are 4 and rows are 3. You can just follow my cursor. Columns are 4, rows are 3. So column I want to make 6. See, side by side it is getting changed. If you further again want to change that thing, just do one thing. Over here into the array, wait, we are just moved out of the command. Select the array, select the object, enter. Into the associative, the things will get changed, right? The associative one was deactivated. Now associative means, just see, uh, I will explain it from the starting. This is the object you want to make array. Select the array command, select the object, enter. Right? You have made something like this. Now associative is activated. Now close. Now you can see you cannot select individual uh, object. So when you will click onto any of the circle, the entire array will get selected, right? And you will be into this command. So this is the meaning of associative array. Again, you can just see the properties over here. Like I want to reset the array. You can just do the reset and you can change the other specification. So I'm not going to do this one. I will do it other way, right? Click on array, select the object. Now you can see how many associative is selected and how many columns, 10, how many rows, 5. So you can create n number of objects within fraction of second. So how much distance between the column you want to see? It is 6 feet right now. I want to make it 10 feet in the column, and in the rows also I want to make it 10 feet, right? Either you can give the spacing, or you can give the total distance. Total distance I want to make 120 feet instead of 90 feet. You can see over here it was 90, now I am making 120, enter, right? So it will be adjusted as per the dimension. right? Once it is made, you can see I am not going to use these other increments into this one. Let's say I am using this. I will show you the distance. No. Okay. So this is what you have made using the rectangular array. You can make any designer wall design or anything with holes. You can make this one, right? Now this one was the rectangular array. Now we have to go for the next one is polar array. First of all, we will be covering the polar array. For the polar array, you let one example I'm going to tell you. Let's say any table chair arrangement. Taking this one as a 5 feet, this is your table, and let's say this is chair. I have placed this one. Wait. I have placed this chair. Move in front of this one. See, it has given you the reference that it is the center. Okay, see. Yeah, it is exactly in the line of the center of the table. You can keep it close, right? Now you can see a single chair is there and you want number of chairs around this table, right? Do one thing, same steps is same. Polar array, I want to do array onto this object chair. Select that chair, press enter. Now it is asking you the center point. So this is the center point of the table around which I want the chair. So just by clicking center, single click, I am having number of chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chairs are there. So you can see item over here is 6. So I want more chairs, 8. So it will become 8. You can see I want only 4 chairs. It will become 4. If I want 6, 7 chairs, it will be 7. Right? It will automatically design the spacing. And if you want to, like, I can make one more arrangement. Let's say rows. What is rows? Rows is 1. I want 3 rows. See the difference? The chairs are just placed behind each other around the center table. What is the distance between row or the total or the distance between arrow or these items? It entirely, you can just play with the commands and you can do the settings on your own practice. This is fill 360. I want 180. So you can see I will reduce the number, let's say 4. Only 180 degrees filled with the chair, right? If it is 270 degree, as per the distribution, it will not work like this. I want 360 and 6 chairs. 180 on this side, but if you want to change the uh, like direction, so you can click on this direction. You can see, right? If you want to arrange in another way, see onto the rotate items, the direction of all chairs will be dependent upon the chair which is the base one, which is the original you have created, right? So it will be entirely dependent on that one. So where this will be used, we will cover this one also. Like in any theater you want to make some chairs, we will be practicing that one also. Let's say into the polar array we will make a table something like this. Okay. Nash. Yeah. So I'm making a table something like this, like a random design. Like I want to explain you the concept of this one. This is Okay, not this one, any other shape. This one. I am considering this as a chair or bench, and this is the main table. Making a main table as a single piece using reg command. What I have done, I have just done region command in in the first or second video. I have explained the region command also, right? So we are going to use this, not this one. I will explain. Okay, with the polar array only. I want to make this as a base. What is the center point of the array? Now it is asking me the center point. The center point of the array is, as per the curve, is this one. Mm, now you can do one more thing. In this one, I am going to put this item as 15. The angle is 180, right? So the angle is 180, and what I will do in the next one direction is in this one, or you can just uh, rotate this item also. But before that, I want to show you that this is one set of chairs, right? Now I want some other rows, like 10 more rows, right? You can see, and in these rows, you can change the distance 4 feet, or let's say 5 feet. Okay, like some conference hall is there, and you can just rotate this table from the very base point, right? So here you can just redesign the table as per your requirement. You can just move it little bit away from this one. You can use this space for the hall, like these are the benches placed behind each other. And one more thing, if you, we are not covering that one, but I will explain you. Levels, we have done rows and column, but what if the levels, the level means let's say 4 levels. I have just clicked 4 levels. The distance between each level is 4 feet. Randomly you can give anything, right? So what is this? Nothing get changed into this one once I have clicked onto the some values in the level. This is basically for the 3D one. If you just go into any isometric view, you can see the levels, right? It is not clear in this one. See, 4 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if you are going to change more levels, 10, see 10 levels are there, you want 2, then what is the distance in each level? So you can do in this for the 3D one also, right? Going back to the top view. Okay, this top view and the view you can change from this view tab. Normally we are into the home tab. Now from the view tab you can just change these views, right? We are going to do these things later on with more when we are into this uh, 3D part, right? We are going to make videos in the 3D also. First of all, we will complete the sessions with the 2D part. Now next one is polar array, right? Into the polar array, just see, first of all I will create a line, turning the ortho off, any spline I have created, right? So this is just random line over here, and one object which I want to use as array, uh, this one, or a box. Okay, let's try with the box what will happen. So in this one, the third one is your path array. It will follow the path. Let's say you have to uh, put that object into that path. Okay, just see over here the object is placed and the array I am going to use is this path array. It will follow the path. Select that array, select the object, enter, select the path. Now it is something like this. You can see, align the objects. It will align as per the original one. See, in Z direction it is making no difference because it is not the 3D drawing, right? It will not work in this one. Now one more thing I want to tell you, like you have created this thing, right? Now what is this command over here? Once you will, let's say by mistake you are out of the command, just select any array object. Again you will be into the array modifier. Now this is the center. You can do one more thing. You can change the base of the object. What does that mean? Like let's say I want to make this as a base, not the center of the box, any top or any corner of the box. Just see. Now it is rain. I want to line that thing. Now it is inside that thing, right? I hope the base point, changing the base point is clear to you, right? If not clear, just see the video few seconds back. It will be clear to you. Again, I will explain you. Right now, this is the orientation of these boxes is from the center, right? Now, what I want to change, I want to change the base. Like, what point of the box will touch the line? I want this corner. See, all the boxes corner will be attached with the line. So you can change, make any shape. And once you will click onto this one into the modifier, you can just change these things, right? 3, you can make 6. So any random design you can change with this one, right? So I hope these three square array, polar array, and this path array is clear to you, right? So in the next coming videos, in the next video one we will be covering up with the arc, then hatch, and some other pending shapes in this one, right? So we'll be going to do that one also with the example. So if any doubt is still there in the video, you can just put it into the comment section, right? If you like the video, just like the video, and you can just give some suggestions also if the video quality, audio quality, or something else is not clear. So I will be trying to improve in the next video. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.